My wonderful, sweet, and kind chemistry students. Let's talk about what you need to accomplish this week for our remote learning with chemistry. Okay? So you're going to head to Canvas again, and then you're going to go to your chem course, and then you're going to have a new module at the top. The module just shows the week that we're working in. Okay? So we're going to finish up March, and we're going to go into April. As soon as I finish this video and email it to you, I'm going to publish everything on this module for you to get started on. Okay, so there's 3 things that we're going to accomplish this week. The first is we're going to do some social media science at home. And so I have an assignment here that tells you that you're either going to choose one of these 3 experiments or you're going to find one yourself. If you do choose to do a different video, please include a link to that video in your assignment that you turned in so I can watch it and see what's supposed to be accomplished. But if you want to pick another experiment other than one of these 3, then absolutely, I would love that. So look at the videos, decide which experiment you want to do. I will say that these 3, I've kept the materials really simple. They're easy to do. You should easily be able to find stuff at home to do it. And then what we're gonna be using as a class, it's new for us, it's called Flipgrid. So what Flipgrid does is it lets you film a short video that then your classmates can view. Okay? So there's a link in Canvas, and then also you can go to this link here, flipgrid.com/social media science, and you're gonna record your video. Here's what I want in the video. First thing, know that it has to be less than 2 minutes. I've put the cap at 2 minutes, so it won't let you go beyond that. Tell me what is supposed to happen in the experiment. And then from there, show me your experiment the first time you do it, because I want to see your reaction. Okay? Oh, and also, before you run that experiment, tell me if you think it's real or if you think it's fake. So example would be, when I squeeze the orange peel, the juice from the peel is going to go onto the balloon and it pops. And I think that's real. I think that's going to actually happen. And then you already have your balloon there and you already have your orange there because you're limited on time. You only have 2 minutes. And then you try it out and then we see if it happens or not. Okay. I also have a video attached to the Flipgrid, which is just instructions on how to run that and how to use that. After you've run your experiment, then you need to write 200 words about that experiment. Here's what I'm wanting. Either tell me the real science behind it, like if it worked, why does it work? And then if it doesn't work, how could you make it work? And explain the science behind making it work. It needs to be at least a 200-word submission. And that's what you're going to turn in here on Canvas. When you're done with that, the next day I'd like you to go back to Flipgrid and see what other students have posted, and I want you to watch their videos, because on Wednesday, we're going to have a Google Hangout. We're going to meet as a class, and we'll talk about your experiments together. Okay? Keep an eye out for an email about the Google Hangout, because I don't have the links yet. I'm going to get that all sent to you, so that will be sometime on Wednesday. Okay? There's going to be a submission button here for you, where you're going to turn in your 200 words about your experiment. All right, so Flipgrid, here is an instructional video on how to use it, and then here's the link to our Flipgrid, that Flipgrid social media science one. Okay. On Wednesday, we're going to have Google Hangout as a class. We're actually going to be able to talk to each other and video chat. This is a page, so when you click on that, it says when I get more information, times and links, I'll update this page. Okay. So I will put the links and the time to the Google Hangout here, but I will also email it to you. So there's 2 places you can find that, and that will be Wednesday, sometime, during the school day. And then the last thing that you need to accomplish this week, so as far as timeline goes, this social media science at home, this should probably be done Monday or Tuesday, okay? Wednesday we're going to meet, and then Thursday and Friday is when you should start on your new notes. Yay, new notes, new material. So we're going to dive into Unit 6. Notice we did skip Unit 5. So we're going to dive into Unit 6, and here's the link for the first 5 pages of your guided notes. So here's the first 5 pages of your guided notes, And please print them off, get them in your binder, okay? Open them up if you can, because then the spacing shouldn't be off once it's all opened up in Google Docs. Okay? And I want you to know that when we take our test on Canvas for Unit 6, it is going to be open notes. So that means all these notes that you're taking and you're using, you can use them during the test. But if you don't take the time to print them out and fill them out, then you won't have them with you when you take your test. And you won't have time to complete the test within the time frame trying to sit there and look stuff up. If it's all there in your notes, then you'll be able to use that and it'll be a great resource for you. Okay? So there's your notes. And then after you print them off, we have the Nearpod to fill out those notes. And that's just like normal. There's the link to the Nearpod. And then you need to put your name in so I can track your progress on that. And it ends with a small, what do they call it, time to climb, like the quiz, where you get to pick your little avatar. So it's going to end with one of those. Okay? So you'll click on the link and you'll put your name in, and then you'll join the session like you've done before, and you'll fill out your notes as you go through the Nearpod. Okay, so that should be Thursday, Friday. So that means starting next week, I'll have a video where I'm going to lecture about those notes, and then we'll start with an assignment. So I like lecture, video, and then assignment starting next week. Okay? So that's everything that needs to be accomplished this week. Do your social media science experiment, put your video on Flipgrid, turn in 200 words about your experiment, then meet me through Google Hangout as a class on Wednesday, and then you need to finish your Nearpod and your notes at the end of the week. All right, guys, I'm super excited to see everyone on Wednesday. Keep up the hard work. We're going to get through this together. See you guys soon.